Hello. In this video, we'll be reviewing how to add an index to a table. The typical reason you'd want to do this is to expand the options available in the Quick Search dropdown. In this video, we'll be using the customer lookup screen as an example. Reviewing the existing Quick Search options, we can see that last name is available, but not first name. To add first name as a Quick Search option, we must add an index to the table. In order to do this, we need two pieces of information, the table name and the field name. The easiest way to identify the table name is to click on Set Filter, which will list the table name here. In this case, we can see that the table name is Customer. Next, to get the field name, we can edit an existing record, and then right-click on the field, which will list the field name here. In this case, we can see that the field name is first_name. Once we have this information, we are ready to go to the next step, which involves using the System Index utility. To open the utility, go to Tasks, System Management, Reindex System Files. This will open a new screen which lists all of the tables in use by the application. We'll need to scroll down to find the customer table. Once located, we can click on the Index Expression tab to see all the indexes currently defined for the table. When creating a new index, we will need to define the expression, which is the field name, and then the index name, which is what will appear in the Quick Search dropdown. We have a convention that the index name should match the field name to make managing indexes easier. The only exception to this naming convention is when the descending option is selected, in which case we begin the index name with a D underscore. Descending indexes are sorted Z to A for character fields or largest to smallest for numeric fields. As the index name can only be 10 characters in length, adding D underscore may require abbreviating the index name, such as in the case for the create date field. You'll also note that many of the index expressions contain upper. This is used for indexes on character fields to make the index case insensitive so that uppercase and lowercase characters will appear next to each other when sorted. This step is optional but recommended. To add a new index, we'll first click on the plus button and then fill in the expression and name. As the first name field is a character field, we will define the expression using upper. Right. And then we'll define the index name, which again should match the field name. All right. Once the index has been defined, we'll need to reindex the table for the change to be applied. To do this, we'll click on the selected option and then click on Start. Note that all users must be out of the software in order to reindex a table, including us. If a user still has the software open, such as in this case, we do have it open in the background, you'll receive an error. So in order to resolve the error, we'll need to close the software. Then we'll have to go back, reselect the table, and then click on Start again. All right, so in this case, we can see that it was successful. The reindex procedure should typically take only a second or two, but it may take longer for tables with larger number of records. Once the process has been completed, you'll see that the selected option has automatically become unchecked, and we can reopen the software. All right. So now we're going to reopen the customer lookup screen. And we can now see that the first name option is available under Quick Search. This option is also available by clicking on the column header, just like other options available in the Quick Search. All right, thank you.